Guys, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button. Even though I haven't really done my intro yet. I don't really have an intro. We are at Jackson Falls at the water place. It's a very pretty waterfall right over there. Do not show those faces. Right over there.
Willow, do you need some water, honey?
Right over there.
Willow,
We went up there.
Do you need some water, sweetie?
But then I couldn't video that because I was afraid I was going to get my phone too wet. We're about to go hiking in a minute. So, yeah.
Here, Willow. You want a drink, sweetie? You want a drink? Huh? Yeah, it's okay. Big drink, big drink. Oh, goodness. Let me hold this. Now you do it. There you go.
There's Willy Bug.
You want some more? Another little drink? There you go. All right, here you go. All right.
There's Miss Dana. She went hi. But
Max, do you need some water? Are you sure?
we're about to go hiking, so please hit that subscribe button if you want us to go hiking.
We'll sit on the step.
Use it to rinse off.
Okay, I got my hydro flask to keep my water cold. Yes. There's no service out here, so it may be like 7 before I post this, but right now it's like my leg. I just scratched my leg. It's not that big of a scratch. Miss Dana, what time is it?
It is 12:18.
It's 12, but the time this may be uploaded will probably be at 7. Right now it's 12:18. So yeah. What? Sure. So stay tuned for that if we are able to do that. I got chill bumps. I'm so cold. Woo. But we're about to leave. I got my snack. Look at Willow. Max is doing a video right now. So go check that video out. Oh my goodness, look at everyone's butt.
Maggie, why do you have a red dot on the bottom of your necklace? Right there.
A red what?
A red bite.
It's not
she means what player?
Oh, that's just a mole.
Oh yeah, I thought it was a bite.
A bite.
Mommy.
Ow.
I can't.
Oh, yeah, you will. You're going to loosen the laces up, and you're going to put them on.
So I'm going to show you a little bit about this place. I think I already have, but I'm going to show you a little bit more. I'm going to show you a little bit more. I'm going to show you a little bit more. I'm going to show you a little bit more. My brother. I just got up.
Careful, sweetie.
My butt may be like that. Trying
Look at mommy.
to explore this place. I mean, they have a big thing right up there filled with water. I bet someone died from that. R.I.P. R.I.P. the stranger who died from that. My Maddox, look. Oh my. I know. I'm trying to hold my water. I think I posted like 4 videos of this. So yeah.
I wonder where the lid is of this water bottle.
I'll set it down out there.
Show you. It's right by your bag. Okay. Waiting and waiting, waiting and waiting. I'm waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting.
There he goes.
Where? Who, where, what, when? Who, where, what? When?
I know that.
Like I should. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Right now we are at like 6 subscribers. Hopefully when we get it to, hopefully we can get it to 100. I forgot which number it was. The 3 number. We beat 12. We gotta beat our friend in subscribers. Well, my brother's friend. We want to beat him. His name's Preston Cresswell. But do subscribe to him though. I'm gonna go down there and give you a little tour. Miss Dean, can you hold this?
Yeah, you spin that side of the water hose and spray it, but knock it off. Yeah.
Here. Okay. What if this was a real waterfall? I mean, Miss Dana, is this a real waterfall? Did they just build around it? But how was that there? I don't know. Well, this is a real waterfall. You just got that. So yeah. I want to drink that water, but I can't. So yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm going with my brother. Miss Dana! Miss Dana! Miss Dana! Dad! Dad! Do you see how far Max is? Is it okay if we go that far? Okay. I'll go to where he is and then. Is it okay if we go that far? I'm gonna take that as a yes. So yay, we can go farther. Oh my goodness, I need the perfect lighting, but I don't have it right now because I'm in the shade. Right over there is the perfect lighting. And what are my videos? Which I have not uploaded yet right now because, of course, no service. But somehow I can do a video and not upload one. Suspicious. No, I'm about to fall, aren't I? I'm about to fall. I'm wearing Crocs. It's gonna be a long video. I'm slipping. I'm slipping. While destroying my Crocs. So hard. So hard. Well, for me, it's hard to keep my balance. I feel like there's just like the tallest glass thing in the world around this. But no, it's like open wide. Which I've never been here before. So if you want a part 2 to this place and we can go some more places, tell me and comment below if you can. Whoa. Max! Ooh! Okay, good. Ooh. That was scary. Okay. So, Max is right over there doing a video. How does he have? Oh, now I do. Yeah. There we go.
So that's it for this video. So bye.
Okay. Max just ended his video. Don't know how long that was. Probably very short. But go watch it if you like short videos and stuff about nature, which is what we are doing right now. This is a real waterfall. Ah! By the way, so I'm really just swimming like a poor person. You can find some very strange things around here. One time I saw a shoe, like a flip-flop, like a... Okay, so I have to get up, and I'm leaving. Well, not leaving this video, of course. We're not leaving this place either. But all we're doing is going hiking. Yeah, I think I've already said that. But we're going hiking right now. Runs with Vikings. Ah, poisonous. Is that poisonous? Don't know. And I'm scared of it. Oh, stop. Where'd it go? Yeah, I'm going around the other way. I'm pretty sure that caterpillar is poisonous. So, moving around from that. Okay. I saw a poisonous caterpillar. Think of me, I saw a poisonous caterpillar.
You have blood all over it.
No, watch my video to find out if it's poisonous. Oh no.
Yeah, get a video of that, Maggie.
No, I'm not.
There you go. Good.
Max fell. Or he just picked a scab.
I fell.
I'm not showing you that. That's gonna hurt.
No, it won't.
It hurt for me.
It's hydrogen peroxide and that doesn't
Oh, the purple stuff with the,
Now, the alcohol is what burns.
yeah.
Wait, alcohol?
Yeah, but it's not alcohol. That's peroxide.
Yeah. Yeah, I always had to put that on. Yeah, you put alcohol in that and it makes it better. It's fine.
You can wipe off on the side so the Band-Aid will stick.
Okay, I'm not showing you that because that's really weird. I don't want to show you that. Maddox, I saw a poisonous butterfly. No, caterpillar. What'd you do? Nothing. I just ran away from it. And if you want to know if it's poisonous, go watch my video so I can get some vibes.
So like if views, you mean?
Views. Oh my god.
If it was all the way up there, it is. Maggie.
My phone's about to die. It's
Up
at,
there where we were sliding, and it was following me. I would just have went down that waterfall like. Phew. We actually did go slide down on the waterfall.
yeah, but I can't show you that video. I may do like little clips of it.
Gotta go eat your stuff, Maggie.
Okay. My phone's about to die.
Stay right here.
All right, do you want to put this on? I would put this on. All right, go ahead and put that on. Are you okay?
I'm a tough boy.
You are tough, and it's all fixed up now.
Yeah.
Don't go down there, Willow. I need you to go up there with your daddy, okay?
Why did Mom put alcohol on her leg?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wouldn't that make it even worse?
I put this one in my hair.
Are you putting your shorts on or no?
No. I gotta put my hair up in the bun.
All right, are you guys carrying your phones or am I?
I am.
Okay. All right, there we go. Good job. All right, Max, you good? Maggie, phone.
Okay, my hair's up in a super messy bun, which I'm going to take it down now because it does not look amazing.
Maria.
Let me hold that.
I'm gonna record another video.
Okay, my phone's at 10%, so there may not be an outro.
Okay.
But I'm going to show you as much as I can. I'm hiking.
Alright, here we go, guys.
I have a big sweat bump between my legs, and it has... I didn't put my hand on that.
Why would Dad never want to go on the
Oh, he does. He was just picking.
Look how pretty that is.
Hey, I need you to stay to the side, okay?
Okay.
And Maggie's just recording a video right now.
Yeah.
Hey, guys. I need you to stay to the side because see, there's other people coming.
Okay.
You're telling me there's no light at the end of the tunnel. I have to keep it.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Stop right there.
Okay. We're walking up.
Huh? It is, but it's good. Excellent exercise. Okay. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on. Hold on. Let's wait for Daddy and Willa.
There may not be an outro because my phone's about to die. So, yeah. But please like and subscribe.
Christina, how many trails are there?
I may just end this video right now, so I'll do a lot more whenever we get there. This is the same old path I'm doing in a lot of other videos, so please like and subscribe and get this video to at least 7 likes and then I'll do another video here. Okay, bye.